Hey guys, welcome back. It has been a long time. It feels like almost, seriously, long time. So much is going on, like I've told you in those little update videos. Lots going on. Finally getting to sit back down in front of a camera. And yeah, you're pretty situated pretty good. This is going to be this month's Boxycharm. This is going to be the August box. Can you believe we are saying August and we're already halfway through August? I've actually had this probably sitting here for a week. I've just not had a chance to film it. So today we're going to get into it. And I will admit I did peek. It's been sitting there for a while. I peeked. I haven't opened anything up, but I peeked inside. I haven't tried anything, but I peeked inside. This box was called Totally. I don't even know what variation I got. I got number 2. I think a lot of people from watching a few unboxings got variation number 2. I don't know how many variations they were. If you guys know, you can leave me some comments down below. This did look like an interesting box. Not one of my absolute favorite boxes, but definitely an interesting box. We got a lip liner. This is Steve Laurent lip liner. Never heard of Steve Laurent. This retails for $15. Reshape, resize, redefine your pout. Lip pencil, total magic. Smooths over your lip line. Yeah, it's a lip pencil. Blah 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 blah. Are you like a magic? Cause you know, I want my makeup to be magic anymore. I'm getting to an age where if it's not magical, if it can't transform me somehow, some way. It needs to transform. It needs to make me happy. It's got to make me happy. Let's get into the actual packaging part here. If I can get I got the lid off the top, but now I can't get the packaging off the lid. What in the world? All right, I'll come back to you. But here it's a standard wooden pencil. Seems a little dry on the hand. Sometimes it does take some warming up and getting down into the product a little bit more. There are some swatches. It does seem kind of dry. As you can see, it takes a little bit of working to get it going on there. So don't know exactly how I feel about that. We're going to get into this lid so I can put it back on there. Good grief, children. So, I mean, it's a lip pencil. I don't know about no $15 lip pencil, but it's a lip pencil. Next up we have Wonder Beauty. I will admit I popped this open and put a little bit on the back of my hand. I remember because it's opened. Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This retails for $42, guys. $42. It better do some magic. Multitasking Beauty Elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what your skin type. And I do have very oily through the T-zone, dry everywhere else. A powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin. So this is supposed to help prime. Helps restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. Spill-proof dropper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. I do still have kind of the wrapper or whatever, this little tape bit on here. It's sticky now. I didn't want it to be sticky, so there's the little dropper. I want to drop. It's pink. I like that it's pink. Get this rest of this tape off here. All right, get off my fingers tape. I hate tape on my fingers. Anybody else? And if my camera's doing that thing where it gets light, let me know. Because when I'm turned and I look back, sometimes it looks super, super bright. And I'm like, what are you doing, camera? This does seem to soak in like super quick. And it does not feel like greasy. My fingers are catching, not sliding. So that's very interesting consistency and texture. And yes, there's glitter on my hand. There's always glitter. I'm a glitter kind of girl. What else is in here? We got a mascara from Tarte. This is called, what are you called? Big Ego Mascara, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes. Can't talk. And delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Retails for $23. I did weed out a few of my mascaras, some that I'd been had out for a while, and it's time to chunk them. So this one, I'm not going to open just yet. So I don't know what the wand looks like this, so it's kind of like the Too Faced Better Than Sex, kind of, if it's concave to the center, you know what I'm saying? It curves in, so that is a very similar to, let me put it on my face so you can see the shape of the wand it looks like. And I do like this wand. This is one of my favorite, absolute favorite mascaras. So I'm going to put this in my backup drawer. You never know, it might end up in a giveaway. I don't know, because I've got mascaras already in my backup drawer, because it seems like in almost every other box we get a mascara of some sort. So there's a mascara. There's two things left in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull those out of the box and sit them down. And next up is the Becca. This is something I was very intrigued about. I have seen unboxings on this. The Becca Hydro Mist and Refresh Powder. A weightless powder that sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin. That's what I'm excited to see. For a seamless finish and comfortable feel, this retails for $39. So guys, we're getting ready to open this and use it. If I can get it open, you know I wreck packaging. Beautiful packaging. There's the Becca. Hey guys, there you are. And there is the powder. It's probably going to have, oh, it's got the little flippy top. I really enjoy that, because if you're taking it with you somewhere and you open that up and powder goes flying everywhere, you don't have that. You've got that little protective seal, like it almost just did by me taking this up. Powder went poof. Okay. So I'm going to brush, make sure it's kind of cleaned off. I'm going to, like the little trampoline-y kind of screen in there. Picking up a little bit of powder. Oh, it does feel wet. Oh my God. How does it do that? How does it feel wet? Oh my God. And that looks really good touch up. I mean, that's, I don't see like powderiness, you know? Oh my God. That's a hit. That one's a hit. I don't see like any powdery, you know how sometimes you touch up and you see like the hints of powder. So then you go and grab your Refresh Mist or whatever. No. All right, guys, here's the last two things in the box. This is Ace Beauté. It's a Beauté Glimmer Shadow Duo. Now, is anybody getting ColourPop vibes when they look at this? Highly pigmented soft shadows with a creamy super texture. Designed for the ultimate color payoff, these shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. If I didn't already have my eyes done, girl, we would be putting some of this on, but we will swatch them. These retail, and I'm assuming you're getting both for $25, because if not, that's expensive. So I'm going to open these up. And this is Iced Latte, and I love these shades. And this is Cotton Candy. Oh my God. So, yes, very ColourPop-ish in texture. I'm sure everybody else has kind of made reference to that. So there is that one on my finger. And there's, they feel really good though. Really creamy. I'm not even pressing down. I'm just barely letting my finger glide over that powder. And look. Oh my gosh. That's pretty. That is like super, 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 super pretty. So yes, I will be using those tomorrow to get ready. Oh, there's makeup on my palette. Get off there. But that's pretty. And let's see if you shear them out a little bit. Yes, they blend out. Super, super, super pretty. So that's it for this box, guys. Next month is Boxy Luxe. I have not seen any spoilers. I've seen one spoiler where it alluded to like some of the brands that was going to be in the box, but not the actual products that was going to be in the box. So I'm excited to see what Boxy Luxe is next month. So I did really like this box. The only thing I found to be a bummer was the lip pencil. I've not tried the mascara yet, so I'm not sure about that one. But as far as the powder and the eyeshadows, yes. Yes, please. So that's trash. And this was just a short and sweet video. So just really quick through my Boxycharm. And I still have a bunch of videos to get done, to get caught up, guys. It's been crazy this week. Absolutely crazy at work, at home, the whole shebang. So as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.